16, muscle up. Back for another quarantine cruise out here in the OC. It's going down. A lot of sick cars out here today, and looks like it's packed. So we're going to take a stroll through. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Camaro 6.8 IROC. Got the old school Bronco rolling through. Got the Supra. Yeah, this is how I want to be rolling through here. Got the 64 Impala.
Celebration a couple of months ago, that one was pretty good. They go to Huntington Beach. But Huntington Beach, they do it. The parking is terrible. You got to park in the structures, and you got to try to find.
So the parking lot in Long Beach is better because there's more parking and it's more wide open.
Yeah, it's big parking lot. You know, it's big open, and you can do everything.
Yeah, because I think this is number 48.
Yeah. 48.
So when they have the 50th, they'll probably be pretty big too.
Yeah, that goes right. Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I just seen it on the thing that said 48.
Yeah.
So next month it'll be 49. So the 50th would be that'd be packed.
Yeah. That's great, bro. Man, you killing it on your shit now, bro. You're on a whole nother level.
Oh yeah, with the
shorts and all that.
Yeah.
Because Wichita will be doing the same thing. You talking about it. I've been talking about that shit for a while. So I piggyback off of you, but I'm talking the same stuff that you be talking about. I've been talking
still surfing.
Yeah.
You might make it out.
Yeah.
You might not get bit.
Yeah.
But then when you hope you get bit, everybody, oh my God, he got
Packed.
bit.
I believe this is number 48, and the turnout is always stellar, and you see a lot of cool cars, a lot of classics, and I'm a classic car guy, muscle car guy, so look at this Chevelle. It's got a nice dress-up kit in the engine. Pretty motor, man. Look at that big block.
565 cubic inches.
Yeah, it's nice. Clean. Beautiful car. '70 Chevelle. Clean. Corvette. Super performance. This thing is clean, you guys. Look at this. Man, it's a work of art. Look at the detail in that. Hillborn injectors, Chrysler firepower. It's a beautiful hot rod.
36.
Wow. Yeah, it's clean. Beautiful car. Man. Beautiful. How clean this thing is, man. To pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you. Wow. Look how that thing is sitting in there, that LT4. Man, that thing is clean. Look like factory. Wow.
What up, Hurts?
Hey, how you doing, man? Good to see you, man.
Brother.
What's new with you?
Chilling, same old shit.
Clean, man. This thing is nasty. Wow. This is badass right here. Wow. Smell the leather in here too. Clean. Young legend. Wow. 69 Camaro. I think I featured this one before. Got an LT4. This thing is badass. Super clean. I wonder, is this a speed core?
I'm not sure. I don't even know who that is.
Super sick. I want to say this is like a half a milli. Clean build. Clean build. Man, this thing is nasty. 200 mile per hour speedo. Like murdered out. Ooh, man, this thing is sick. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Cliffside. Slammed. Oh man, this is a cruiser right here. Clean Cadillac. Let me know what you got out here. You got trucks, you got people with blown motors. There's Nova with a blower, or actually just a high-rise intake, a double Holly double pumper. Wow, that's pretty crazy. It's clean. The Novas, lots of Camaros. Lots of old school Camaros. That's clean. Oh, this one's clean too. I've never seen this one here before. Pretty badass. Clean. It's all carbon fiber in here too. Bad boy. Thing. 8 stack. And got AC up in it. Serpentine setup. Got the steelies on it. Drop. Looks like it's about that race life. Doesn't look like it's too many creature comforts, but it's pretty sick. You got a little MG in the house. They got the Panteras over here. A nice Buick. Old school Buick LeSabre. That's clean. Panteras in the house.
You know, whether it's just a general or someone unmasked.
Seen this one at a bunch of car shows. Both of these actually.
How many times Rosarita we were there.
Pantera. America's supercar. Well, man, this one's got a crazy setup, you guys. The Tommaso with the American drivetrain, Italian styling. Sick. Twin turbo. Badass. Look at the exhaust coming out the back. Some sick Chevys right here. They came deep. Great turnout today. Fastback 65. For you Mustang guys out there, 65 is hot. Man, that's nice. Got some nice meats on the back. Let's take a look inside. Kept it old school. Yeah, buddy, over here. How you doing, man? This is clean. Look at the wheels on it. Continental gangster. Thing is clean. Usually the drops is what you see, but seeing a hard top is actually pretty dope. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, this is a cruiser. This is a cruiser. Yeah, bad boy. Yeah, bad boy. Yeah, clean. Cadillac. Now this Cadillac, I seen him pulling up. This thing right here. I love the color combination. This burgundy. Oh man, this burgundy with this white is nasty. Look how clean that is. Man, that thing is beautiful. It's clean. Just sitting so pretty, man, on air ride. Clean. Chameleon on the truck for sale. Got the Chameleon on here. That's clean. Got a nice bed on it. Nice truck. Yeah. Got a dart with a can. Front-wheel drive Oldsmobile. This car right here had a great performance, and it was one of the first really big body front-wheel drive cars. Jay Leno has a twin turbo version of this that's all-wheel drive. But yeah, the Toronado, the Oldsmobile. Very unique car, and it was one of GM's first front-wheel drive cars, I believe. Going down today, some sick cars, met some great people. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Make sure you guys share the channel and hit that subscribe and that like button, man. Muscle up and pick you up some merch at BigKirk916.com.